I made it to Galdhopiggen. This is the highest point in Norway, and people come here for the slalom. Like behind me, people are skiing. And the temperature right now here at the top of the mountain is 3.4. The wind speed is 4.6 meters per second. I am so high in the mountains. It is even snowing up here, and down there we are having some sun and summer, but up here it's winter. And during this time, the people who love skiing come up to the mountain to enjoy some slalom. It is so nice. Oh my god, it's so windy. A girl has to eat, and outside the elements were too hostile. Like the wind was so strong and the snowing was getting too serious. So I had to cook in the car. I really love cooking when I'm outside, but what can we do? So today I will be cooking vegetable, so much broccoli, some carrot, potato, onions, and on top of it I will add some shrimp. And I will be using a slow cooker because I want to have the independence to be traveling around the mountains so that I can explore, and while at it the slow cooker will be doing its work, so that later in the evening I can be able to have a meal. And I set the slow cooker at about 5 hours. So for the next 5 hours I will be on the road exploring the mountains.
How long time you think? Some of the Norwegian lady, the girl said.
We are thinking of camping in Norway's highest point, and so far so good. The road has been very meandering. Even for a moment we were like, will the car manage to go up there? You know, the roads are very small. They are very small, and it's beautiful landscape to look at. It's raining! Yay! It never gets dark during the summer in the north, and The light can make you feel like it's still daytime, but at this point it was getting late. We needed to camp. And dinner is ready. 5 hours later, the slow cooker did us justice. Can you imagine having your meal here? This is my dinner with a very beautiful view. This is the best. I don't know how to explain it. This is the best view. I'm so high in the mountains. That's my view. Please like and subscribe to support our channel. And if you've been able to watch up to this point, I know you liked it. Thank you so much.